The Potlimepan 1500W Steam Cleaner is a powerful tool, generating high-pressure steam to tackle deep-seated stains and odors effectively across various surfaces. With a generous 1.5-liter water tank, this steam cleaner allows for up to 40 minutes of continuous use, making it perfect for comprehensive home cleaning. Safety and convenience are at the forefront with a safety button to prevent accidental steam release and an option for continuous steaming to enhance cleaning efficiency. Equipped with 14 versatile accessories, the steam cleaner can handle everything from floors to windows and even hard-to-reach areas, making it a multifunctional cleaning device. Its lightweight, portable design, complete with wheels and nearly 10-foot power cord, allows for effortless movement and cleaning of even the toughest grime. The Potlimepan Steam Cleaner is an excellent choice for maintaining a hygienic living environment, ensuring your home is free from dirt and bacteria.